You feel so much, but you stay silent. You know English, yet your feelings get stuck. It's not your English, it's fear. You sit in conversations, listening carefully. You understand every word, every sentence, every emotion. But when it's your turn to speak, your voice disappears. Inside your mind, sentences are ready. Thoughts are clear. Feelings are strong. But your mouth stays closed. You tell yourself, not now, maybe later. I'll speak next time. But next time comes, and you stay silent again. This silence hurts quietly, slowly, deeply. At night, you replay the moment. I could have said that. I should have spoken. I knew the answer. But the moment is gone, and the regret stays. Many people think this happens because their English is weak, but that's not true. Most people who stay silent actually know English. They can read. They can write. They can understand. But speaking feels different. Speaking is emotional. When you speak, you show yourself, your ideas, your personality, your feelings. And that feels risky. So fear steps in. Fear of mistakes. Fear of accents. Fear of being judged. Fear of sounding stupid. Fear of not being enough. Silence feels safer. Silence feels comfortable. But silence slowly kills confidence. Let me tell you a small story. There was a woman, smart and capable. She worked in a team. She knew her job well. She knew English well. But she never spoke in meetings. Every meeting, she had ideas. Good ideas, useful ideas. But she kept them inside. One day, her manager asked, "Does anyone have thoughts?" Her heart started beating fast. Her hands felt cold. Her mind said, "Say it." But her fear said, "What if you say it wrong?" So she stayed silent. A few minutes later, someone else said the same idea. Everyone liked it. The manager smiled, and she felt something break inside, not because of English, but because of silence. That day, she realized her problem was not language, it was confidence. English-speaking confidence is not about perfect grammar. It's not about big vocabulary. It's about emotional safety. It's about feeling okay to be seen, to be heard, to be imperfect. When you speak feelings, it feels harder than facts because feelings are personal. Saying, "I think this" is easier than saying, "I feel this." But confidence starts with feelings. Simple, honest feelings. I feel nervous. I feel unsure. I feel excited. I feel scared, but I want to try. These sentences are powerful because they are real. You don't need long sentences. You don't need perfect words. You need truth. Confidence grows when you stop trying to impress and start trying to express. Express what you feel. Express what you think. Express what matters to you. Many people wait for confidence before they speak. But confidence does not come first. Speaking comes first. Confidence follows. Think about learning anything new. You don't feel confident on day one. You feel awkward. You feel unsure. But you do it anyway. Slowly, confidence grows. English-speaking confidence works the same way. You build it by using your voice, even when it shakes, even when it feels uncomfortable, even when it's not perfect. Start small. Very small. One sentence, one opinion, one feeling. I think this. I don't agree. I'm not sure, but that is enough. That one sentence is a step forward. Every time you speak, fear becomes a little weaker. Every time you stay silent, fear becomes stronger. Silence feeds fear. Speaking feeds confidence. You don't need approval. You don't need permission. You belong in the conversation. Your voice belongs there. Your ideas belong there. Your feelings belong there. English is not a test. It's a bridge between you and other people. Use it to connect, not to prove yourself. Speak slowly. It's okay to pause. It's okay to think. Pauses are not weakness. They are clarity. Mistakes are not failure. They are proof that you are trying, learning, and growing. Confidence is not loud. It's calm. Calm decision to speak, even when fear is present. Next time you are in a conversation, don't wait for the perfect sentence. Say the simple one. Say the honest one. Say something. Every word you speak trains your confidence. One day, you will notice change. Your voice feels steadier. Your mind feels clearer. Your fear feels smaller. Not because your English suddenly improved, but because your confidence did. Remember this. You know English. You are capable. You are allowed to speak. Confidence is not missing. It is waiting for you to use your voice. Speak your feelings. Speak your thoughts. Speak even when you are scared. Your voice matters. And the more you use it, the stronger it becomes.